I'm here at the LA premiere of National Geographic's Cosmos Possible Worlds. Carl Sagan's beloved science series Cosmos is back. In this new show, viewers embark on uncharted territories and the possibilities are endless.
There's no impossible in this show.
It's taking on like the topic of possible worlds out there, and because we can't be the only life form on Earth.
Cast, crew, and guests gave their input on the future of science and why it's so important, especially for college students.
Science is the key to our future. And so I'm very optimistic about the future because people your age are going to take over and quit denying science, and we can get on with it.
We're confronted by these roadblocks we find in our lives. We have to kind of take that opportunity to have hope.
Science is the reason there is hope. Here's what creator and executive producer Druyan had to say.
The dream of Cosmos has always been to empower the broadest possible audience with the revelations of science.
Perhaps those revelations were best predicted from Carl Sagan himself. Listen to what he said about humans and their capabilities.
By the time we're ready to settle even the nearest other planetary systems, we will have changed. The simple passage of so many generations will have changed us.
Possible Worlds premieres on National Geographic on March 9th, 8/7 Central. For College Web Media, I'm Jaewon Jung.